Hello friends, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Angelstalkshow in the series of online computer classes. Now I am starting the new series of computer C programming. In this series of videos, we will discuss about basic things of C programming and will see how can we make C programs. In the series of C programming videos, we will discuss basic things of C programming. So let's start our video and we will see how can we make C programs and how can we make a C programmer. In this series of videos, we will cover complete detail of C programming. And in this video, we will cover the following topics. The first topic will be what is computer programming language, introduction of C programming, and the last one is features of C programming. This is our first video and I request to you all, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon for the notification of new videos on C programming. So let's start our this first video. In this video, I will tell you about computer programming language. A programming language is a vocabulary and set of grammatical rules for instructing a computer or computing device to perform a specific task. The term programming language usually refers to high-level languages such as BASIC, C, C++, COBOL, Java, Fortran, and Pascal. Each programming language has a unique set of keywords and a special syntax for organizing program instructions. Computer programming languages can be classified into three main types. The first one is lower level language, the another one is middle level language, and the last one is higher level language. This is the whole about the description of computer programming language. Now, in this slide, we will discuss the introduction of C programming. Friends, C is a procedural programming language. It was initially developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972. C programming language is called as middle level language because it actually binds the gap between a machine level language and high level language. A user can use C language to do system programming and can develop operating system, can develop compiler designing, driver and kernel of operating system, as well as application programming we can also develop through the C language. C programming is considered as the base for other programming languages. That is why C language is also referred as mother language of all programming languages. This is the brief description about C programming language. Now in this slide, this person is known as the father of C language, Mr. Dennis Ritchie. He is the creator of C programming and Unix operating system. He develops C language and Unix operating system. Dennis Ritchie was born on 9 September 1941 and was dead on 12 October 2011. Now in this slide we will discuss about the features of C programming language. Friends, C is widely used computer language. It provides many features that are given below. Number first is it is very faster than basic language. C programming language is known as robust language which has rich set of built-in functions and operators that can be used to write any complex programs. Friends, C language has a very rich library of inbuilt functions. So this is a very good feature of C programming language. That is why it is also known as robust language. C compiler combines the capabilities of machine language with features of high level language. Programs written in C are efficient and faster. This is due to its variety of data types and powerful operators. This is the main and important feature of C programming language. C is highly portable. This means that programs once written into the C language can be run on another machine with little or no modification. This is the most important feature of C language, which makes a most popular language among the software developers. Another important feature of C programming is its ability to extend itself. The C program can be extend itself. C program is basically a collection of functions that are supported by C library. We can also create our own function and add it to the C library. C language is the most widely used language in operating systems and embedded system development today. Friends, these are several and important features of C programming language which makes C language a most powerful, efficient and most popular language among software developers and technical students. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video and get the full detail about the introduction of C language. I hope you enjoyed this video, so stay connected with us. Subscribe our channel Angelstalkshow. Dear friends, please like my video and share my video with your friends and subscribe our channel for the new videos.